Okay, Dorada, how you doing? I got your work up here. So, good job. I think everything's looking fantastic. This is good. I know this is not a responsive website, but it's okay. I mean, we can go ahead and link out to this from your portfolio. So that's. Hey, what happened? Not real sure what's going on here, but I thought we linked out on that. Hmm. I'm not real sure. You might want to check on that, but that's what happens when I link on your link. I go to that page, so you might check that for your final presentation. Otherwise, I think this looks great. Showing 4 pages deep, good solid color consistency, great harmony, good continuation. I think it's a good piece. Let's move on. I'm not real sure what this is. I'm really not. I looked at it in the file, and it's kind of a fun little parallax scrolling little site, invitation site. So that's cool, but I don't think I would include it. I think this will be fine for your web portfolio. Now, eventually, as you said, you want to replace that with a responsive site. So we would move towards that direction too. Now, this is your digital media. I think this is great. This is a good piece. I think I'm not real sure, to be completely honest with you, John. I'm not positive what the intent is for this piece, but I think it's a good, solid piece. It shows nice. As far as digital media goes, I think you're showing good proficiency. This is great. It's embedded. Everything works great. This is fantastic. Stuff like this works really well. How long is this piece? It's not very long, probably less than 30 seconds, but it's a good piece. It really is. It's active. It's right there in the portfolio, so that's fantastic. Okay, so where are we? The next page. I talked about that, showing a blank die line. I think it's a really good idea. Good job. Then, of course, your graphics applied, showing only application where pertinent, not inking areas that don't need ink, showing a good understanding of production techniques. Likewise, I think your labels are good. And the actual package itself is actually, it's gorgeous. It's very, very nice package. I'd like to see, oh, I was going to say, I'd like to see some more shots of that. And here we go. So excellent, excellent. Just really a fantastic piece. I think that's a very, very strong piece. Okay, this publication design, it almost looks a little forced, Dorada. It does. This Traveler magazine, the masthead for the magazine is so low in the composition. You got all this area right here. I would definitely try to, you know what, go and listen, we're coming down to it. We only have a little bit of time left, so I want to show you something real quick. And I don't mind you guys doing this, but I'm just going to jump over here. I'm going to bring up a new window, and I'm just going to say magazine design. Magazine design, we come over here, I check my spelling, and we come over here and do an image search. And you can see, oh, these are spreads, so let's go back and let's adjust that to magazine cover design. And you can get some ideas of really good ideas of how you want to address this cover, and you can maybe take some of those ideas and follow them. Also, if you have time, take a couple of tutorials on magazine cover design. A couple of things that you would want to do, and I think a couple of things that are notable are the fact that you have quite often you have headlines down the sides of the image, and then you have your masthead and your folio information, etc. Volume number, all that, and then let's take a look at the contents page. And again, let's just go here at magazine contents page design, and here you have a bunch of cool ideas of how you can design your magazine, your contents page. So this looks kind of forced. It looks really stark. So does this. You would definitely have more articles in here and more magazine articles in there. Subsequently, you would have more entries in your your contents page. So, okay, sorry, I lost my train of thought there for 1 second. We have this Norway Traveler. Here you have Norway Power by Nature. Here you have Norway, but you're using a different subhead. So that's an inconsistency. Norway Power by Nature, Norway Take a Walk on the Wild Side. I would use the same subhead as you'd use on your, same subhead as you use on your cover headline. just to create some consistency. I'd also use the same type that you use there as well. Okay, let me see. If we come over here, we can say, let's check a couple of things. Baseline grid is pretty good. Typography, that would technically be a widow right there. I would at least use 3 words there. Rags are looking pretty good, except we got some wavy patterns. Watch your waves. You want long, short, long, short, long, short. Technically, that would be a widow. You don't want to use one. Maybe 1 or 2 lines sitting up alone is just really distracting. Got the same thing down here, so I would recompose that to add more type than just those 2 lines there and those 2 lines there. Technically, those would be considered orphans. There's definitely a widow right there. Okay, and these rags are starting to perform some patterns too, so you want to go long, short, long, short, long, short on those. Okay, other than that, I think you're looking fantastic. Great job getting your digital media in place. Awesome job. And thanks for including all those files. You won't have to include all those sub files in. To be completely honest, when I looked at your submission, I was like, oh my gosh, what is all this? How am I going to figure this all out? So don't forget on your final portfolio, just embed everything right in your portfolio. All right, awesome job. Any questions, let me know. Thank you.